Are you tired but you can't relax? Well, it's not that you're undisciplined or that you're a failure. What it is that your nervous system is trying to protect you. I am a certified spiritual life coach, and I work with women 40 and over who are feeling overwhelmed and who want to be able to relax. And in this video, I'm going to describe why this is happening to you and what you can do to shift the situation. So what happens is that all day long, you're just bracing for something to happen. And even though nothing may happen, you still have all these little stresses that are coming up. So your body feels very tired and your mind feels very wired. So very often, you probably go to self-help and you read the books and you try to change your mindset and you try to meditate, but forcing the meditation isn't going to work. These things, when you're trying to do more and more and more, all it does is just raise your stress level. And when you're trying to do more and more and pushing, it's just going to lead to more and more stress. What will work is just relaxing. When you relax, then the stress level will go down. So what you can do is just relax your neck, your shoulders, your jaw, your forehead. And when you do that, then your body's going to feel protected. And you can't go through this with strategy. You have to go through this with lowering your stress level. And when you find that your mind isn't pushing anymore and you feel calm, what does your body feel like? And it's not that you are failing. You're a very accomplished woman. It's not that you're undisciplined. It's just that your body, your nervous system is just on override, and it's making your body feel tired and your mind feel wired. So the more you feel calm, the more you're going to be able to access that peace, the love and the joy in your life, and you're going to feel more confident. So if this resonated with you, I think you'll like another video that I've created. Why you're not able to sleep at night. You can find that right here. And if you want something even more immediate, there's a link for a reset, a 5-minute reset below the video here. You can just click on it and get started.